Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's video of salt and pepper, silver and gray hair strands. So if you know you would love to explore new styles, sit back, go nowhere and keep watching. These are Pixie style for the win for all black ladies, irrespective of your hair color or your hair type. Yeah, this Pixie style can be done on any hair at all, be it your natural hair, on an hair extension, and also it can be done on a natural colored hair. Yeah, you know what I mean. But this particular one I'm doing right now is for the gray hair ladies, silver hair ladies, and salt and pepper hair ladies. So this is also to try to let you know that you can actually get that pixie style that you've always loved to try on. You can always try it on your hair. The gray hair does not mean you can't do it, and the gray hair does not mean it can't take heat or be styled in beautiful ways. So this video, you'll see different mode of the pixie. We have the flat one, we have the high pixie, we have the coily pixie, and we have the pixie just like the twa, like the TWA hairstyle. They are all called pixie. And we have the pixie just like the tapered haircut. So just so many styles to select from. We have the pixie with fringe, yeah, the one that has the fringe, yeah. So what you have to do right now is to go for the one that you feel will make you look really young and beautiful. And there are also pixie that has punk, that looks like punk, and we also have the flat head pixie. The flat head pixie are those ones that actually relax their hair. Yeah, if you relax your hair, definitely your pixie is going to be so soft and flat. It's going to be flattened to the skull. Yeah. But if you don't relax your hair and you just want to achieve your pixie, then it's just going to be high. Yeah, it's going to be high. And especially when you have a very long hair, a fuller hair, it's going to be high. But even if you relax your hair and you have a very long hair, like a fuller hair, it's still going to be high. That is one thing about the long hair. But if you have a very short hair and you relax it, it's going to be looking like the finger wave. Your pixie is going to be looking like the finger wave, and it's going to be really flattened to the head. So let me know which one you like, the flattened one, the coily one, or the one with volume, or the one with punk. And there are some pixie that you flip the hair to either the left or the right. When you have much hair on top, you flip it to either side of your face. That is also a pixie. So let me know your take in this video. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you're trying any of these pixie hair pretty soon. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, thanks for always coming and staying tuned. And also, in the course of watching this video, do not forget to like, yeah, do not forget to share and subscribe, because subscription means love and support. Keep watching guys for more beautiful pixie haircuts. you guys love this video, and the beautiful thing about this video is that they are all beautiful. The hairstyles are all beautiful. So if you want to explore and know more hairstyles for your gray, silver or salt and pepper hair, this channel is just the best deal for you. It is the real deal, because in this channel you're not only going to be seeing coily hair. You're going to be seeing straight hair, you're going to be seeing relaxed hair, you're going to be seeing natural hair, you're going to be seeing extension and other hairstyles for men as well, and other hairstyles for natural color hair. And also this channel is going to inspire you if you just started your transition and you are feeling kind of bad, that you're not looking good. This channel is going to encourage you. I am so sure you're going to love every bit of my channel. Yeah, because with the comment, not only the videos you get inspiration from, you're going to get inspired by people like you, women like you. From their comments, you're going to get inspired from what they say and how they started their transitioning. You're still going to be inspired. So it's just both ways, and also some questions and answer you're going to be seeing on the comment section and also in other videos. So guys, I want you to go nowhere and keep staying tuned to this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, this is the right time where you have to quickly subscribe to join the happy family, and also try to share the video, because a lot of women and men need to know what it takes and how to be encouraged to embrace their gray hair. Yeah, a lot of women are actually waiting to get this kind of video.